Is your garden shed overflowing with clutter, leaving you feeling overwhelmed and unsure where to start? We felt the same way, but instead of letting the mess build up, we tackled the project for free and in just 3 hours. The key? We didn't just shuffle things around, we pulled everything out to create a ton of space right from the start. After a quick clean, we replaced everything in a way that kept the shed open and organised, clear walkways and labelled boxes. This was a lifesaver for me because I tend to dump things where I see some space. We hope this video inspires you to declutter and organise your own shed. What is your biggest challenge when it comes to organising? Let us know in the comments. If you're ready to reclaim your shed without the overwhelm, time or cost, stick around to see how we did it. If you are new here, welcome and thank you for watching. We are hoping to encourage you with our fun, family-friendly travel and DIY videos, which we'll be sharing as we get ready to sell our home. If you enjoy our video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. It doesn't cost anything and it will mean the world to us. Hello everyone, right, today we are decluttering our back shed. So that shed is full of a lot of rubbish. There's an old scooter in there, there's a load of extra paint cans, all that kind of good stuff in there, a lot of cobwebs, and we just need to clear it out, rearrange it. We've got some shelving that we're going to put in it, which is going to help us to organise things and access it easy, and hopefully at the end of it it's going to look a lot better, a lot more accessible and a lot tidier. So this is the plan, so come with us. We found some empty unused boxes to help with the sorting and the organising. Before you start, here's a tip. Pick a dry day. We know those are rare in England, but trust us, you'll want the extra space outside for sorting things. We emptied everything out of our shed to make room for organising, and the first step alone made a huge difference in clearing the clutter. It gave us a blank slate and made the whole process way less overwhelming. The problem we have here is, because it's not very accessible, it ends up getting dumped in, which I know is not a great thing, but hopefully we have some semblance and have some things more on the walls and the shelves, which will hopefully clear this area a little bit better. So that's the plan. So let's keep going. Getting there.
These wooden shelves were a great find a few months ago at our local garden centre. They had been used as a seed display and were in the sale section for only £10.
A break. A snack. One that I'm walking past every 3 seconds at the moment, so why not? Homegrown tomatoes. They are good.
Once everything was out, it was time for cleaning. Dust, cobwebs and all. Sheds can get pretty grimy, so I recommend grabbing a mask and maybe even some goggles to protect yourself from the dust. Ella loved helping out with this part. How about your kids? Do they like helping out at home?
There are a couple more jobs that we want to get done in this shed before selling. one being replacing the right hand wall and the other redoing the felt on the roof to protect from the elements. But with the tight timescales and winter approaching, will we be able to do it?
Next, it was time to organise, where we sorted everything into 4 piles: keep, throw, sell and donate. This method made the keep pile much smaller and more manageable. This part was Elna's favourite. She had a blast finding all the different colours and shapes of tools and deciding which box they belonged in. Not only was she getting involved and helping, but she was also learning a lot in the process.
So on our bid to declutter, it's actually a very tough job because we always think we may need it for another day, but we need to be pretty ruthless. So we've actually... Wow. You sorted that issue out. Anyway, issue with the cake.
Have you
Big brother stole little sister's cake.
No, I handed the cake out.
Oh, mummy's fault. Okay, mummy's fault. Anyway, so yes, so we have tried to sort everything in order: house stuff, woodwork stuff, cleaning stuff, paints, tools, all that kind of good stuff. So we're trying.
Basically, I started getting involved in the tidying up.
Basically, Philip started doing the sitting down stuff while Muggins here lugged it all out, as you can see.
You were the camera all the time.
So yeah, we are in the position where we're nearly going to put it back together. We've taken a few things out that we're going to need to get rid of, either give away, sell, whatever it may be, and then put it all back in. But actually, for a small shed, there's quite a lot of stuff. So we've got all that gardening stuff there. My mum gave us some gas canisters for our barbecue quite a while ago with a view for us to use them, but that never actually happened. So we still got them, so we're not sure what to do with them because we're at the end of our summer season and I'm probably not going to be using them. So we'll see what to do. But it's looking a lot better and we're going to start putting the new shelves, or old shelves, in the shed, so we've got more organisation, shall I say, rather than it just being thrown in by me. I'll admit that I do that quite a bit. Philippa is more organised, so fingers crossed we'll get it cleaner. But our big tent needs to go in there, which is there. That does take up quite a lot of room, which is a little bit annoying.
No, I think when you look at it, there's actually not that much. We'll be fine.
We'll be fine. So we'll crack on and start shifting stuff back in. When the time came to put everything back, we made sure to keep the walkway clear so we could easily access the back of the shed. This simple trick helps prevent the dreaded dumping. We also organised things based on how often we use them. Rarely used items went to the far back, while frequently used items were placed right by the door for easy access. This way we keep the shed tidy and functional without having to dig around every time.
The final step was labelling everything. We labelled all the boxes and items in the shed, making it super easy to find what we need and, most importantly, know exactly where to put things back. This way we keep the shed organised for the long term and avoid things piling up again. Labels are a game changer.
Thanks so much for watching. We hope that this video has given you some motivation to tackle your own shed or any other space that feels overwhelming. What area in your home do you find the hardest to keep organised? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. If you've enjoyed this video, you should definitely check out the one where Philippa declutters the summer house. And don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps to keep us motivated to create more useful content for you. See you next time.